Hello all, welcome to our productivity tips and tools series. Today we'll be discussing 3 amazing extensions that can enhance your browsing experience and productivity. Let's get started. Extension 1, Clipboard History Pro. Have you ever lost track of something you copied to your clipboard? Well, Clipboard History Pro is here to help. This extension saves all your copied texts and allows you to access them later. You can even merge and add tags to your history records. The extension also syncs across multiple devices, making it easier to access your clipboard history anywhere. Plus, it has a context menu integration with input fields, making it easier for you to paste your favorite text notes. Extension 2, Copyfish Free OCR software. Have you ever needed to extract text from images or videos? If so, then Copyfish Free OCR software is the extension for you. It turns text within any image captured from your screen into an editable format without the need to retype it. You can even translate the text for language learners. It works with various image formats, including photographs, charts, diagrams, screenshots, PDF documents, and even videos. Plus, you can define quick switch buttons for up to 3 languages on the settings page. Extension 3, Fastsave and Repost for Instagram. Are you an avid Instagram user? Fastsave and Repost for Instagram is an extension that lets you download videos and images from Instagram with just one click. You can also use it to post photos and videos directly from your computer, without having to use your smartphone. Plus, it has a built-in function to save pictures and videos, making it easier for you to access your saved content. Conclusion. There you have it, 3 amazing extensions that can enhance your browsing experience and productivity. Clipboard History Pro, Copyfish Free OCR software, and Fastsave and Repost for Instagram. Try them out today and see how they can make your life easier. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and tools. Thanks for watching. And also don't forget to mention which extension you like the most in this video.